Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Microsoft PowerPoint on Google Meet. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the PowerPoint on one of your windows, then go back to Google Meet. Now on the Google Meet, you can see options like reactions, captions, and present now. Tap on present now. Now under present now, you can see options like Chrome tab, window, and touch screen. For this, you have to select window. As I said, you have to have your PowerPoint open on one of the windows. Now select the window that has your PowerPoint open. Tap on it, then select that share option. And guys, that's it. That's how you share your Microsoft PowerPoint on Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.